Hello learners, this is the new lecture of Dbms and our topic today is three-tier architecture in Dbms. Myself Dr. Dibya Jyoti Bora, and so let's begin. Three-tier architecture, and this is a very important topic. Do remember this, and you will find MCQs frequently coming in competitive examination, and also this is important for your semester examination. Okay. So what is three-tier architecture? Three-tier architecture means the complete system is divided into three interrelated but independent modules. So by three-tier architecture, the whole system of Dbms is divided into three independent but interrelated modules. Now, look at this figure. This figure is depicting three-tier architecture. So you'll see that this is the external level, this is the conceptual level, and this is the physical level. Okay, so three levels are there in three-tier architecture. So external level, conceptual level, physical level. Physical level is dealt with data store, and conceptual level and physical level. Between them, we have physical data independence, then conceptual level and external level. Between them, we have logical data independence. So let's discuss each of this level in details. So first one is physical level. From the diagram, you have seen that physical level is linked to where data store. So at physical level, the information about the location of database objects in data store is kept. So the task of physical level is to keep the information about the database objects in the data store. So it stores where exactly data are or database objects are kept. Clear? So various users are Dbms. The various users of Dbms are unaware about the location of these objects. So this is the physical level. So you have seen in short that a physical level deals with the location of the database objects in data store. Then conceptual level. At conceptual level, data is represented in the form of various database tables. For example, student database may contain student and course tables, and they will be visible to users, but users are not aware about their storage. So the main important point that you have to know about the conceptual level is that here data are represented in the form of the virtual structures known as database tables. And database tables are formed as cross-section of rows and columns, and we'll look into the details of tables formation in some later class. But for conceptual level, do remember that here data are represented in the form of database tables. Clear? Then external level. This level specifies a view of the data in terms of conceptual level tables. So the external level deals with view. View refers to the virtual table. Okay. As for example, faculty of a university is interested in looking course details of students, and students are interested in looking all the details related to the academics, accounts, courses, and hostel details as well. So what happens? So faculty wants a different portion of the database, isn't it? So similarly, students also want to look into the details in different perspective. So different views need to be generated as per the need, and view are nothing but virtual tables. So at external level, we deal with views. Clear? So one question comes to our mind that why these different levels? These different levels are created because here in Dbms, we need to maintain one important characteristic that is known as data independence. You'll see in the figure, it is very clear that physical level and conceptual level, we have physical data independence, and you see that at physical level, locations of the database objects are kept, and at conceptual level, data are represented in the form of tables to the users, but users are not aware about the locations of the database objects. Why? Because of this physical data independence. Similarly, at external level, we deal with views. Okay, so between conceptual level and external level, we have logical data independence. Clear? So these three interrelated levels are created in three-tier architecture, but they are independent modules, although they are interrelated. And because of the data independence, we have these three different levels. So clear? So in the next class, our main topic is to discuss in details about the data independence. So I hope today's lecture on the three-tier architecture is very clear to you. If any doubt still exists, do comment me. I'll respond to it as soon as possible. And I'm coming to today's questions. Today's question is, at which level data is represented in the form of various database tables? Clear? So you need to tell the name of the level where data is represented in the form of various database tables. So comment your answer and I'll give the answer in the description below. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. If you really enjoyed this lecture series on Dbms, do subscribe to my channel and also share with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Then we'll meet you in the next lecture. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.